Assalamu alaikum, my all dear students. Hope you all are fine. Well, my dear students, you know very well this is your English literature class, and today we are going to start our new story. This new chapter, the name is Diva's doll. In this chapter, we will learn a story about Diva and her doll. Who has given that? Let's start to read the story. Well, my dear students, on Sunday morning, Diva was sleeping at 6 o'clock. All family members came to her room and surprised her and wished her with so many presents. Everybody gave her parent presents. Why? Because last night she has told her family that she has come first in her class. Yes, she has got position, the first position in her class. That's why all family members already decided that they will surprise her. So at 6 o'clock, that was Sunday, but everybody was present in her room, and they called her Diva. Get up. When she saw that everybody is in her room, she was surprised. She was rubbing her sleepy eyes and looking at everybody. There was her aunt, her parent, and her brother. Name is Rafi. Yes, Diva has a brother. His name is Rafi. In her family, she has parents, and at her home, she has aunt. Okay? Everybody was very happy, very excited, and one by one they started to give present. Okay? And Diva was also very excited to see everybody, and everybody was very happy. Well, everybody said that Diva said that well done Diva. Okay? And Rafa was also very happy with her because she has got first position in her class. Okay? So let's start to talk about that who has given Diva present. Well, there was a doll, talking doll. She got a talking doll as a gift, as a present, and green goggles. Green goggles. And the other thing, a painting kit. Who has given that all? Let's start to see. Rafi gave her a talking doll from Rafi. Diva received a talking doll from Rafi. Okay? She received green goggle from Aunt Anita. As I have told you that in her family she has an aunt. Her name is Anita. Okay? Well, a painting kit from her parents, means mother and father, her dad and mom. Okay? Finally, she has got 3 gifts: a talking doll, a painting kit, and green goggles. Yes, she has received that one morning on Sunday. She received 3 gifts from her family because she has come first in her class. Yes, she was very happy. Well, his brother Rafi started to, when she was unwrapping the doll, the talking doll, his brother was very excited because, why he was very excited? Because he gave the gift to her sister by his saving. Yes, first he saved money for a long time. When his dad asked Rafi that how you have purchased that doll, Rafi answered, "The dad, I have saved money for my sister present." Yes, and the doll is very nice. And you know what? That time she was unwrapping the doll and Rafi was telling about the functions and how she will work and how it will work. Well, the doll was moved by the batteries. Even there was some batteries also. Well, my dear students, that was all about today's story. We will be continuing in the next class. But I will tell you about what was the function of that one doll. Okay. But one thing more which I would like to tell you. Let's come to your working. Okay. You know very well, whenever we start any story or any lesson, it is necessary to make a title page. How you have to maintain that? On a new page, you have to write down the name of your chapter. What is the chapter's name? Diva's doll. Okay? Well, your working is, first you have to make a title page. As usual, you know, on the next page, you have to write down words meaning. Then there is a word RTC, reference to the context. I am going to make you understand what is that. Okay? Let's start to know about your copy work. What you have to do. Okay? Well, look at here. You know very well, first we have to make title page, Deepa's doll, okay? Then there are some words meaning, you know very well whenever we start a new chapter, mostly in literature, okay? The first word is proud, annoyed, delighted, willed, smugly, okay? Proud meanings feeling pleased and satisfied. Feeling pleased and satisfied. Annoyed, feeling angry. Okay? Delighted, filled with joy. Filled, F-I-L-L-E-D, filled with joy. The next is wailed, W-A-I-L-E-D, wailed. Meanings made a high pitch sound. The last is smugly. The last is smugly. Meanings a self-satisfied way. My dear students, that was all about your words meaning. Let's come to the next copy work activity. There is an exercise, exercise B. I have told you this is reference to the contest. This is the exercise where we get a line from the chapter and we have to find out that who has told these words and why. Okay, we have to answer these questions. Well, you have to write down in your copy. You have to make the heading of exercise B, question, answer the questions after reading these lines. Well, we have only one line right now. The line is, she does need help after all. Line is, she does need help after all. Okay. According to this line, we have two questions. The first question is, who said these words and to whom? Who said these words? Who said this line? Well, Rafi said these words to his father. Rafi said these words to his father. The next is, what did the speaker do immediately after this? Means, after this line, what Rafi has done? He pressed a tiny button on the side of the doll. He pressed a tiny button on the side of the doll. Okay? Well, this line is spoken by Rafi. And why? When Deepa was searching that how the doll will turn on the button, where is the button of the doll? Okay? How she can play with that. So that time, Rafi immediately pressed a button at the side of the doll for her sister to play with the doll. Okay? My dear students, that was all about today's learning. Hope you will enjoy the class, and you have enjoyed the class, and you will complete your work neat and clean. I want everybody to read the story thoroughly. I hope you will enjoy the story. Allah Hafiz. Take care.